Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Take a look at our driver's side. To have heated seats, both driver and passenger, and memory seats on the driver's side. Got the seat controls here, door controls, driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. This nice wood grain accent trim, rear seats. Quick peek up here at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at the back here. We got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 7,078. Do have a push button ignition. And here's our touchscreen Mercedes-Benz display, currently showing navigation, radio, you can also adjust the ambient lighting in the vehicle. And backup camera. Below that we have climate control. The command module for also making adjustments on the display. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.